So we've got a 991.1 Carrera 2S, and this one's finished in Guards Red, and it is like brand new. It's only got 15,000 miles on it, and it is also, being a Gen 1, it's the last of the naturally aspirated cars before they went over to turbos. So the options on this car, we've got the 20-inch Carrera wheels, we've also got memory seats and Bose. The car also has sports exhaust, sports suspension, but I think the real unusual one with this car is the red interior trim to match the exterior.
I think that looks fantastic, and of course
Very unusual.
And what Beth hadn't said is we had seat belts.
Yes.
Car's beautiful.